breakfast out in the playroom. Is this where you guys eat now? It is?
Mommy moved it.
It's kind of cool, right? Because you can see outside. That's pretty neat. I'm taking a video.
Molly, how's your breakfast? Is it good? Yeah? Yeah, Elmo. Jack, how's your breakfast?
Right here. You see him?
Tell everybody what you're eating.
Look, he's on your plate too. Isn't that Elmo? That's Elmo on your plate, Mommy. Look, this is
Jack,
Elmo
what are you
right
eating for
here.
breakfast?
You see Elmo? Yeah.
English muffins.
And who made it for you?
Mommy.
And did Mommy do a great job? Oh, say, Mommy, you're the best English maker.
You're the best, Mommy.
Thank you, Jack. Molly, do you love Mama? Yeah. Do you love Jack Jack?
Dada.
Do you love Dada?
Dada.
Yeah. Do you love Elmo? Yeah. Go ahead, let me see. Eat some more English muffin. Have another bite. Good girl. Jack Jack, what are we going to do today, buddy?
Tell me.
You tell me.
Hey, tell me.
Let me see the cutest face you can make. And Molly's doing it too. Let me see your cute face, Molly. Smile.
Cheese.
Not cheese, just smile. No?
Cheese. Cheese. Minute. Mommy said she was cheese.
No, I think she's saying cheese to the camera, buddy. Oh, you guys look so cute. You guys my cute babies? Yeah.
Babies.
Babies. Sit down, monkey. Sit down and eat.
Eat.
Yes, eat. No getting up.
Apple.
No apple. English muffin.
Apple.
No.
Apple. You guys, Elmo on your plate, Molly. See?
Molly, can you blow Mama a kiss? No. What are you doing? Give me a kissy. Thank you.
What's Molly doing?
Kiss him, Mommy.
Let me see.